A lot of you have asked me that Sujata, what is your journey as a public speaking coach? Now, here in this entire video, I'm going to share with you that how did I become a public speaking coach? What was my driving force? What made me to choose this profession? I'm going to answer all of your questions because this is a common question most of you ask me. So it all started. Uh, okay, I'll take you to the backstory first. Is that I was never confident at all. I was born introvert. I couldn't speak to people. I was very shy. I was hesitant. People used to laugh at me. People used to make fun of me. People criticized me. People thought that Sujata will never have a good future because she cannot even put her thoughts forward. She cannot speak. So people thought there is no future for Sujata anymore, right? Guess what? Things have evolved. Things have changed in today's day, right? If you would have come to me and if you would have asked 5 years ago that Sujata, why don't you choose to become a public speaking coach? I would have asked you that, oh, are you crazy? I would have definitely questioned you. But let me tell you, yes, today you're listening to public speaking coach who was once a shy, introvert, hesitant girl. I was bullied. My friends were not being my friend anymore, and I was terminated from the company twice. Yes, it was twice, and everyone stopped talking to me. And this affected me mentally so badly that I used to come home, I used to cry, I used to tell at home sometimes, or I used to just take that pain by myself. And I like, what about me? What will happen? There's no future. What will I even do in life? Because every time when you listen criticism around you, you start believing it, right? And that's what happened with me. And one fine day, I remember I was at office. My boss had he just shouted at me. Something wrong happened over there. I went to restroom. I started crying, and that's the day I decided that I will change my life. I will take initiative because I knew that this is a challenge that I have. I did try to read books. I did try to talk to strangers. I did try to watch YouTube videos. Nothing helped. I'm telling you, nothing helped. It just wasted my time, energy, nothing else. And when that happened, when I cried in restroom, I was looking for help. Well, scrolling phone because I didn't even have phone. I had a small phone. The moment my brother got a new phone, I got that second-hand phone. I started having an access to internet. I found my mentor, and I was like, Sujata, hold on, you're gonna invest. Investment for the course was huge for me back then because I was just making 13,000 rupees. And I asked my family if they can help me out. They said no, because they didn't know the importance of public speaking. Back then, in 5 to 7 years ago, nobody were even talking about public speaking. Right now, public speaking term is very fancy. People are aware about the challenge, right? So it was difficult for me to convince them, but guess what? They didn't get convinced. I took an initiative to swipe my credit card, make that payment, and after 3 months, when my parents got to know that I had invested, I really got scoldings. Guess what? That one investment in mentor changed my life. Today, whoever I am, it is because of that one investment in mentor that changed. Today, I'm a full-time public speaking coach. It's been 2 to 3 years. Right now, I'm in the third year. Quit my job. I'm a full-time coach. I'm a 6-figure public speaking coach. It all started from that one investment, that is in mentorship. I did have self-doubt whether I'll be able to do it or what. But guess what? I became a very firm believer, and I blindly followed my mentor. You tell me what to do, I'll do it. And that's it. And the moment I started following the path and the footstep of my mentor, things changed. I started making videos. I started putting on social media. I started going out there and recording videos, doing workshops, meeting people, everything. And the day I realized that I can help people, because this is a big issue. Because I know how does it feel. Not getting recognized, getting terminated, not having friends, or people taking you for granted. I know how does it feel. That's where I had this thought that if this can be taken as a profession, let me do it. I had no clue how, but I was like, again, my mentor. That's it. And during the offline, when I started in 2019, I started doing offline, and suddenly, offline was easy for me, but suddenly When there was a pandemic, I had to stop. I had to stop my career for 2 years, and then lot of times I had this thought, oh, I'll have to have a landing page. I need a lot of money to um, become a public speaking coach. But guess what? One fine day, I was talking to my sister, and I told that, you know what, you should not just make your kids learn give them education, but also give them skill set that will help them in the real life. And I was like, hold on, Sujata, even you have a skill, why don't you help them, right? And that's where they were in the month of March, they were on the summer vacation. I told, let's do tuition, and we started every day 5 o'clock. I was taking tuition. Guess what, on the day 1 to day 3, the kid of 4th standard was reading his book, reading the speech. Okay, and on the day 3, day 4, he started speaking so confidently like a leader. I thought, if I can help this 4th standard kid, I can help anyone, right? And that's where I opened a slot for second batch, and that's where 5 people from 5 different countries have joined my batch, plus 5 more people from India, 10 people in second batch, third batch, fourth batch. That's where so many batches I've done till now. After that, doors started opening from big platforms like IIT Bombay, Global TV, Alva Universities, and many more. Things changed, life changed, everything has changed. Today, I'm living a fulfilled life. My lifestyle have changed. I shifted to my flat, and I'm taking up the session. I'm invited by various different universities again. I'm getting paid for my accommodation, my speech, my travel, everything, right? It all started from that small investment. And today, when I started with a 4th standard kid, and today I have coached people like Miss Universe, Miss World, Tollywood actor, company CEOs, founders, project manager, program manager, HR, teacher, you name it, I've coached everyone, right? So definitely during this journey, I had to convince my family that this is a career that I want to choose. I definitely had a lot of self-doubt. I definitely felt like giving up. I definitely had a lot of failures, but I didn't stop, right? Because for me, what drives me was my student. What drives me was the fire inside me that I want to help people. And when you are passionate about what you're doing, you automatically, you don't get tired, right? So things have changed when people come up to me telling that, ma'am, just because of you my life has changed, just because of you I'm getting promotion, just because of you my parents are very happy, just because of you I'm getting recognition. This is a day that I live for. And that's where the journey from 0 to 6-figure coach I have traveled, and people across the globe have been impacted. I have changed people's life, right? And that's what I say, that investment in mentor will change you. Okay, whatever you're getting, whatever you're not getting, it is because of, again, one skill. Understand, the day I mastered public speaking, my life changed, and that's why I believe in investment. So always make sure that don't try everything by yourself, by watching YouTube videos, all of that. Have a leap of faith, invest in mentor, things will change. Today I have mentor for everything. I believe in investment, and so you should, right? And see the magic. So when you will invest in me as a public speaking coach, in me to improve your public speaking skill, trust me, I am gonna stand here by you as a lifetime coach. You don't only become good at public speaking, but you also become good at your own personality. People don't just call me as a public speaking coach, they call me as their friend, they call me as their therapist, they call me as their counselor, they call me as their sister, because that's the kind of bond that we build in the community, and that's the change that people see. So have a leap of faith, invest in mentor, and things will change. And this is my journey from 0 being an introvert to a public speaking coach. Thank you.